Hello, hello. All right, who loves ice cream cake? Do you love ice cream cake? I know I do. I want to show you how you can take our amazing round steamer. It is a cooking grade silicone, amazing. I'm going to show you how we can use our round steamer to create your very own ice cream cake at home. All right, let's get started. What are you going to need? You're going to need your steamer, a spoon. I am using our all-purpose spoon here from Epicure, and ice cream, slightly melted and soft. I already have had mine out about a half an hour. So what we're going to do, open the lid, and we're going to take the chocolate ice cream and mold it into the bottom of the steamer, okay? Without dropping it. All right, so see how easily that came out? I'm just gonna make sure you get all of that ice cream deliciousness right there, okay? And then you're just gonna put your ice cream and you're gonna flatten it and then smooth it down, all right? So let's do that. All right, now that you have it all smoothed, what you're gonna do is put the lid on, and we're gonna put this in the freezer for 15 minutes. All right, so let's do that. Now that it's in the freezer, make sure you have the space before you start. We're gonna wait 15 minutes. Okay, so while the chocolate ice cream is settling in our silicone, we need to grind some Oreos. I am using gluten-free Oreos because, well, I prefer them. You can do you, I'll do me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these in a bag, okay? And then take our rolling pin and make them into Oreo crumbs. Yum! And of course, I have my vanilla ice cream over here. All right, so I have my chocolate out of the freezer and my ground Oreos. I'm gonna pop my lid off. Setting beautifully. I'm gonna put my layer of, I did 2 rows of my gluten-free cookie crumbs and saved a row for snacks for later. Okay, and then you're just gonna level those out, and they're sinking into the chocolate because that's why we only waited like 15 minutes, because you want to be able to push those down into the chocolate ice cream, okay? And then we're going to take our softened vanilla and we're going to put our vanilla ice cream on the top and spread it out evenly, just like we did with the chocolate. Yum! All right, so now that the ice cream's all in, you just want to spread it around so it gets that nice, trying to make it as flat as you can because we're going to dump it on a plate later, right? We're going to put our lid on and put it back in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. And then when we take it out, oh my gosh, I can't wait. All right, so the next thing we did is I've taken the ice cream cake out of the freezer, and we're gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna pop it out of our our round steamer. So 10 minutes. Okay, so we're back. I have my cake, and I got just a regular plate out of the refrigerator, out of the cupboard. Let me rewind that. Yeah. You say it's your birthday. Oh, hi, we're back. All right, so I have my silicone knife. I have my silicone round steamer with our ice cream cake in it. And then I have a plate that I just took out of the cupboard, okay? I'm going to take the lid off. My cake has been in for about 5 hours, maybe closer to 6. So all I'm doing is just taking my silicone knife around the round steamer just to kind of free it up from the sides, okay? And I've had it out about 15 minutes. Actually, it's been 11 minutes, so it's not quite 15. So I couldn't do this when I first took it out, so it's been 11 minutes. And I'm just going around the edge, just kind of separating it. All right, now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take it and I am going to dump it. I should say flip it, not dump it. And then push on the center while holding the handles, okay? And I felt it release. And voila, we have a delicious ice cream cake for your birthday. And you could put icing or frosting on it to make it look pretty. And I do have a little ice cream in the steamer. So, you know what's good to do with that. And that's how easy it is to make an ice cream cake in our Epic year-round steamer. If you give it a try, let me know. Visit me on Facebook, Keeping It Real Cooking with Lisa, and I'd love to see your pictures of your ice cream cakes. Have a great day and keep it epic.